On Sunday afternoon, Armed Forces Commander General Agus Subianto visited the regional ammunition depot owned by Jayakarta Regional Military Command in Ciangsana, Bogor Regency, West Java, where a fire and explosion had occurred last night. According to General Agus Subianto, his team is still investigating the cause of the incident, but he suspects that it was triggered by unstable and explosive ammunition.
Kan Kodam Jaya ada beberapa satuan, satuan-satuan tersebut munisi yang SOP-nya munisi yang sudah expired itu dikembalikan ke Kodam Paldam Jaya di Gudmurah ini, dikumpulkan untuk diperiksa lagi, diverifikasi, ada langkah-langkah itu sampai dengan akhirnya dia didisposal gitu. Disposalnya di Pamumput, kita punya tempat. Ya, kita akan secepatnya untuk apabila itu sudah terkumpul, akan secepatnya diperiksa dan didisposal, itu saja. Ya, karena ini kan kita sedang menunggu tahap-tahap tadi itu. Tetapi sebelum waktu disposal sudah meledak. Karena tadi itu sensitif tadi si munisi tersebut. Yang tadi itu 65 ton ya, 65 ton sisa pengembalian dari satuan-satuan termasuk.
General Agus Subianto confirmed no casualties in the fire and explosion. Currently, the Armed Forces inspects residential areas within a 2-kilometer radius of the ammunition depot that caught fire. He mentioned that the Armed Forces would provide repairs if there were any damage to residents' homes. Additionally, General Agus Subianto appealed to residents at the scene to report to local authorities if they found cashings, bullet fragments, or any other suspicious items. City Contributor reporting from Bekasi.